activity. 3. What is absent?
Layers of the gallbladder.
The submucosa.
Absent. Submucosa.
Ano nga yung tatlong components ng mucosa? And okay. So what is the epithelium lining the mucosa of the gallbladder? Simple columnar. And then how do you call that connective tissue? Lamina propria. And then the muscularis mucosae actually blends with the muscularis propria. Walang submucosa. So there is thinner vascular wall in the gallbladder, and then there is also no definite arrangement of the muscle fibers. Haphazard ng arrangement. We will not be able to see appreciate anymore the outer longitudinal or the inner circular layer. So mucosa immediately followed by the muscularis propria, and then the outermost layer is called gallbladder. Ano na-discuss niyo kanina? Serosa or adventitia?
Adventitia kasi naka-attach siya sa may liver.
Both. Segment the portion attached to the undersurface of the liver, adventitia. Yun namang free surface, serosa. O yan, mayroong liver tissue tayong makita. So that this should be called adventitia. Liver na yan. Oh, before going to the liver, can we discuss the appendix? Baron, next slide.